guys, how cool would it be to turn your primary residence into an investment property? I get asked how to do this a lot, and I just want to make a quick video and just explain a very common way that people do this, where they take their primary residence, they don't plan on selling it, maybe they've got a great mortgage on that property, they don't want to let it go, they just want to find out how they can keep it and then go buy their next primary residence. So I'm going to tell you how to do that. Really, there's two main things that we need. We need a lease signed before closing on the next property, and we need an appraisal of the rents on that property. So rather than the appraiser looking at what the property's worth, they're going to tell us what it's going to rent for. When you get your lease signed, that lease just needs to start before your first mortgage payment on the next property. So that's a common question. People ask, okay, I'm getting this lease signed. When do I make the lease effective? You got to make it effective before your mortgage payments start on the next property, which isn't hard to do. Let's say we close in the month of August. Your first mortgage payment's not due until October 1st. So you could basically have that lease start in September, have a new renter put in there. And what we've basically done, you might be asking, why are we doing this? How is it making it easier for me to qualify for the next property? Well, what's happening is we're using the majority of that proposed income from that lease to offset your current mortgage payment. And what that does is it reduces your debt to income ratio. So you're basically helping yourself qualify from an income standpoint for that next property. So if you've got 5% down to put on another property and you're willing to lease out your property, become a landlord, start holding onto properties and build a rental portfolio, this is one of the most popular ways that people start doing this, and it's a lot easier than you think. So thanks for watching. Give me a call if you have any questions. I'm at 404-561-6695. We'll catch you in the next video.